In the endless struggle between innovation and imitation, Sony has consistently pushed the boundaries of audio technology. The company's 1000X series of wireless earbuds and headphones have long set the standard that others scramble to match. When competitors seem ready to catch up, Sony typically reinforces its leadership with new flagships that widen the gap once again. Today, I'm taking a look at the latest coming out of Sony's audio labs, the WF-1000XM5 true wireless earbuds. If you want to pick these up for yourself, I will have a link down in the description below. If you want to experience Sony's take on immersive audio in a lightweight, compact form factor, the 1000XM5s make a compelling case. But in this scenario, excellence comes at a cost. Let's get started by taking a closer look at the design. These earbuds have been completely re-engineered from the ground up for a dramatically sleeker look and more comfortable feel. Starting with aesthetics, the XM5s are approximately 25% smaller than the previous XM4 model. At just 7 grams per earbud, they're also nearly 20% lighter. This reduced size enables a more streamlined, discreet appearance. You'll look like you have tiny, futuristic marbles lodged in your ears rather than large grapes. Seriously. The XM4s look like you had grapes stuck in your ears, and the XM5s just look like nice earbuds. But the benefits go deeper than looks. The slimmed down dimensions allow for more flexible, ergonomic ear tips that conform to the unique contours of your ears. Sony even added a new extra small ear tip size to allow for optimal fits for more people. And the lightweight construction provides all-day wearing comfort without strain. The charging case shrunk too, becoming even more pocketable. New touch controls offer convenient access to volume, voice assistance, and noise modes. Hands-free gestures like head nodding to take calls increase usability. Everything about the XM5's hardware is designed for effortless on-the-go use. Speaking of which, let's talk about the software features. The Sony Connect app unlocks deep customization and personalization. Dial in your ideal sound signature with the EQ, optimize noise cancellation levels for your environment. Head tracking support for 360 reality audio allows more immersive spatial sound. Hands-free access to Google Assistant and Alexa enables voice-activated music playback, messaging, reminders, and notifications with no need to touch your phone. AI algorithms even detect when you start speaking to automatically pause your audio. But Sony's noise canceling tech remains the star of the show here. Dual processors powered by a dedicated neural network chip provide exceptional ambient sound reduction. Whether you're on an airplane or just working in a crowded cafe, the XM5s create an oasis of silence. However, for me, it wasn't much different than what you get on AirPods Pro 2 when it comes to noise cancellation. And that's not a bad thing, as I'd put Apple's noise cancellation earbuds tech at the top of the list. I just don't know that I can say that the XM5s are better, but they're definitely on par. Call quality also gets an AI boost as Sony trained its noise reduction algorithms on a mind-boggling 500 million voice samples for astonishingly clear call clarity, even in noisy environments. With this combination of comfort, sound, and smart features, the WF-1000XM5s represent Sony's most technologically advanced earbuds yet. Of course, the main thing we want to know about when talking about any pair of headphones is sound quality. All the design changes and cool features would mean little if the XM5s didn't deliver great sound, and Sony made sure to live up to those expectations. The most noticeable upgrades come due to the enlarged, redesigned 5mm dynamic drivers. With the new separated dome edge structure diaphragm, the XM5s produce more natural audio reproduction across the frequency curve. Music has more clarity, richness, and depth. Dual processors join forces with a high-resolution DAC to provide the foundation for expansive 24-bit playback. This powerful combo renders music with stunning dimensionality and spaciousness, especially for earbuds. Subtle textures and details emerge with precision. And bass gets an exponential boost in both quality and quantity. Deep lows sound tighter and punchier, adding visceral impact without muddling the mids and highs. Vocals also shine through the mix with lifelike intimacy and proximity. Of course, Sony's proprietary technologies like DC Extreme upscaling and 360 reality audio integration give you access to high resolution music and immersive spatial sound too. Simply put, the WF-1000XM5 earbuds deliver Sony's most exquisite wireless earbud sound yet. If audio quality is your priority, these should be at the top of your list. Then there's phone call quality. With their dual beamforming microphones and bone conduction sensors, Sony's earbuds have always excelled at phone calls, but the 1000XM5s take call clarity to the next level courtesy of advanced AI. Now, as I already stated, Sony trained its noise reduction neural networks on a massive database of 500 million voice samples. This astronomical amount of data empowers the algorithms to separate speech from background noise with high precision. On test calls, ambient sounds like white noise machines or nearby TVs didn't transmit at all. Voices sound full-bodied and natural, not muffled or robotic. The microphones even minimize wind noise when outdoors. Next, let's talk about battery life. The WF-1000XM5 inherit the same battery specs as the previous model. You get 8 hours of listening time with noise cancellation turned on and 12 hours with it off. The charging case provides 2 additional full charges for 24 to 36 hours respectively. Now in my testing, I got just under 7 hours of use with a mix of ANC and transparency modes enabled when connected to the latest Sony Walkman device. That's about an hour shy of Sony's estimate, likely due to having features like DC Extreme and 360 Reality Audio activated for listening to Dolby Atmos tracks. While the battery life is decent, it's not class leading. Some competing earbuds last over 10 hours per charge. But on the plus side, quick charging gives you 1 hour of use from just 3 minutes of charging in the case, and I am perfectly fine with that trade-off. For charging up the case itself, you can go wired with USB-C or charge it wirelessly. Now, if you want the pinnacle of sound and features, then maximum battery life takes a back seat. But most users will still find the endurance fine for everyday needs. Just be prepared to top up more often than some rivals. With their meticulous attention to detail and design, Sony widened the gap once more with the WF-1000XM5. These earbuds set a new high watermark for comfort, sound, and features. The revamped aesthetic and ergonomic improvements create Sony's best fitting and most discreet earbuds yet. Audio drivers and components have been overhauled for stellar sonics. Clever software features and AI call clarity provide all the bells and whistles you expect from Sony. That said, there are cheaper options out there. Battery life could be better. And rivals like Sennheiser match or even surpass Sony's sound quality in some scenarios, while Apple can match the noise cancellation, both for less money. But when weighing everything together, the WF-1000XM5 make a compelling case as the most advanced total package in the market. For tech and music enthusiasts seeking an elite combination of comfort, audio fidelity, and intelligent listening tech, the WF-1000XM5 delivers. If you want to hear what's possible when innovation leaves imitation in the dust, look no further because Sony has done it again. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru, and I will catch you in the next video.